Hello friends, I'm Veronica from ChaconRanch.com. I can't believe it's already September, and that means Souptember is here. Souptember is a collaboration hosted by Leanne at the Mennonite Farmhouse YouTube channel. Every day for the month of September, there will be a soup video posted. Leanne will have a full playlist on her channel with everyone's videos from all different channels. Be sure to leave a comment below and on the other soup videos as well for a chance to win a $100 gift card. One winner will be chosen and get a $100 gift card, either Amazon or a Visa. By leaving a juicy, unique comment, your chance increases to win the gift card. There will also be some other cool prizes. Mennonite Farmhouse YouTube channel will be having a live stream on October 3rd at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, and the winners will be announced. Be sure not to miss it. Now let's get started with the soup. This recipe will be linked in the description box below. If you're a fan of a good hearty soup that is packed with flavor, then this soup is a must try. It's an Italian inspired soup, also known as Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden, with a blend of savory sausage, crispy bacon, tender potatoes, and kale, all swimming in a rich, creamy broth. Perfect for chilly nights or when you just want to indulge in a bowl of comfort. So first thing is first, we're going to crisp the bacon in a heavy bottom pot like a Dutch oven. You just chop up some bacon and cook it until it's really crispy. Remove it, and you can remove some of the excess grease as well. Just leave a little bit in the pot to help you fry the sausage. I am using our local butchery Italian sausage. They don't add any spiciness to this Italian sausage like you would get at the store. So if you get it at the store, you can get a mild or hot sausage. I had to add a little bit of red pepper to this to add a little spice. And since I'm working on an open fire right now, the sausage did get browned too quickly and a little bit too much. I like it done a little less than this. If you're cooking this soup, make sure the Italian sausage is cooked on medium heat until it's just browned and cooked through and broken into small pieces. Next, I'm going to finely chop onions and then add them to the pot and saute them until they become translucent, as well as some minced garlic until it's very fragrant. I have been enjoying cooking on the fire and learning how to do it. It's a new skill for sure. You have to play with the heat and everything, but I've been really enjoying it. It's like a new little hobby. And everything tastes 100% much better on the fire than on the cook stove. I recently posted a sourdough zucchini fritters that I made on the fire, and we've been doing country fried potatoes and some fried chicken. It's just been a fun journey. As the onions and garlic is being cooked, I am going to be dicing our potatoes. I'm not going to be peeling them today as it's yellow Yukon potatoes. You can also do russet potatoes in this soup as well. Once the onion and garlic is completely cooked, you add your Italian sausage back to that. Add your potatoes, your chicken broth or water, some red pepper flakes if you're adding them, salt and black pepper. Bring the soup to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer until the potatoes are tender. This Badia Complete seasoning is my all-time favorite. It makes the soup taste complete. It has some dehydrated onions, garlic, and some other stuff. While the soup is cooking, I am washing my kale and preparing that to add to my soup. You can get all the leaves off of that stem like this, as I'm showing you. Or you can also cut around the stem, it makes it easier. And I'm just tossing my stem out in the garden. That's the beauty of cooking outside. Some wild rabbit or another animal will be happy to eat that. Cut all that up into small pieces. The longer this soup is boiled for, the better it will taste. If you put it in your Instant Pot on warm for the whole day, it's going to be really good for dinner. And also the next day, this soup is even better than the first day. Once the potatoes are fully cooked and tender, you add your kale in and boil it for a couple minutes, and then you're going to add heavy cream in, and then adjust your salt and pepper if you want some more or less. Just taste it. Yum, it's looking amazing and smells amazing. Everyone is getting hungry and waiting for this amazing soup.
Wow, that's so good. No joke. Yeah.
Add some of that crispy bacon in your soup as well as on top of your soup. Wow, that looks amazing. Add some Parmesan cheese on top and serve it with fresh, warm sourdough bread. I can leave a recipe for my sourdough bread below as well.
Really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this soup a try.
Everyone loved and enjoyed this soup and of course wanted seconds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment to win, and I'll see you next time.